What's up everyone, Jacob here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video on Kindle Publishing and let out the news. I've put out my first book for my upcoming brand on pre-order just about 14 hours ago. And get this, and you can see it right here. This is my dashboard right now. I just had to hide some information. But in 14 hours, I already have 82 pre-orders for my book. And this is going to be releasing on the 29th this month. And with that, I am 100% confident I will reach at least 200 pre-orders, like guaranteed. What I'd like to reach is ideally as close to 1,000 as possible. Now, can I reach 1,000 pre-orders? It's going to be tough, but that's the good mindset to have, is just to set a high goal and just fucking go for it. So we are trying to go for, if not the top 1 spot on Amazon, it'll be freaking obvious who I am by then, if that happens. But the realistic goal, though, seriously, is to launch my book and have it be within the top 100 of Amazon day 1. And from there, I'm just spending my money like crazy to like cement everything in place to make this happen. So not only am I spending money on the front end for ads, and for these ads, it builds up to my assets, which is my email list, my fan club page. What else we have? We have the pre-orders now. So it's all working really well. My average CPC is now climbing up a bit. My average cost per click on my Facebook campaign is about 20 cents. Now, I know this sounds crazy, but my conversion rate, once someone clicks on the ad to download the free book, is 60%. And that's believable, because if you're clicking on an ad for a free book, you're going to be really likely to actually follow through with clicking on the link for the free book in exchange for your email. So that's what's happening, guys. And someone asked me, hey Jacob, how much have you spent so far on ads? $2,500 before a book has even been released. A single book has even been released. $2,500 on just ads. Now, when you hear that, what are you thinking? Like, holy shit, that's a lot of money. Or like, why are you spending that much money on a book that you don't even know will succeed? Number one, like I said, I'm building a long-term asset, something that I can ostensibly use for the rest of my life. An email list that's going to reach near 50,000 subscribers that I can use to leverage towards selling more books, whether it's my continual series, even another series down the line. It's mine. It's an asset that I can even sell for a profit. I could sell my list right now for $10,000 if I wanted to. Right now, somewhere on like Fiverr, or no, that's for cheap people. Flippa. So you want to have that long-term approach. We're not just doing the short game of, oh, how quick can I make my ROI on this book, and can I break even in a month? Like, no, maybe I won't break even until like maybe 3 months in, but it's going to save me in the long run, within like a year, thousands of dollars, because I'm spending less on the front end to get these subs, rather than compete with everyone else heavily on AMS, Amazon ads, where I could be spending up to $3 per click, which is ridiculous. So that's my secret, guys. As far as the success of the book, look, I'm not trying to be cocky, but the mindset towards this is I am doing literally everything to make this book high quality as possible. It's a 60,000 word book. The cover alone cost me at least $600 to produce. Why the fuck does a cover cost $600 to produce? Get this. I had to hire exclusive rights to a particular model that's being featured on the cover. And to you nonfiction folks, that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. But just know this. Even the model themselves is getting involved with promoting the book. Like, this is a huge project, and it's a well-known model, as far as I can tell. So it's just crazy right now. So hey, just for fun, I'll even reveal tomorrow what my niche is, what I'm really doing, and this will all make sense. So if you want in the comments, guys, leave guesses on what my niche is, and hey, if you're the first one to guess what exact niche I'm in, I'll give you a free 15-minute coaching session, man. Like, we'll just hit it up on Skype either later tonight or tomorrow. Let's just have some fun. Guess what it is in the comments, and you have to like the video, and the first one who does it wins the prize of 15 minutes of coaching, and I won't upsell you or anything. We'll work solely on your business. And I'm just really excited, guys. It was really exciting to wake up to this, and this makes Kindle publishing fun again, to where we are not using review swaps. We're not doing any bullshit. This is all real online marketing skills that translate into sales on Amazon. And this is really like starting from scratch, learning the new skill sets, and seeing the rewards immediately. So later on, guys, take care.